Meet Aysha. She is a garments worker and mother of 3 children in her late 20s. Her mother also was a garments worker and one of her child who is 14 also works in the factory. In the 50 years of independence, we Bangladeshi claim to be the emerging economy in Asia. But at the ground level, RMG sector, which is the biggest contributor of our economy, is just producing generations of workers. It's not like Aysha and workers like Aysha don't want her children to be educated and get free from this misery. But she don't have the proper knowledge about her child's education and can't afford to save money for the education purpose. Because though her monthly wages is near 112 USD, but she still have to struggle at the end of every month to maintain her family. Her husband contributes in the family, but most of his income also finishes provide rents and bills. That's where we TexFund come in. Our vision is to provide quality education to the workers' children so that they don't have to relive their parents' lives. Bangladesh have more than 5,000 RMG factories and 1.2 million laborers working in the factory, where 85% of the labor force is women. Its research has found that in 2019, Bangladesh produced approximately 500,000 tons of waste just from the ready-made garments (RMG) and fabrics mills, of which almost half to 50,000 tons was 100% pure cotton waste. Our business involves both the garments workers and fabric wastage at the same time. Every garments worker is best at what he or she do. We are utilizing their skill for our business, where the garments workers will make handcrafted custom accessories out of waste fabrics. Custom accessories market is the second largest market related to textile sector. The global personal accessories market was valued at $473.46 billion in 2020 and is projected to grow at 7.93% this year. We are making deal with the garments where they provide us the waste fabric and let us use their factory for production, where the existing garments workers will only work for half an hour extra from their scheduled time to produce custom accessories according to our instructions. Our team will then collect and inspect the accessories and ship them to the nearest hub. We will then sell and share the profit with the garments workers and factories, where we are giving 20% of our profit to the industry, and garments workers are getting 40% as a fund for their children's education, and as a company we are taking other 40%, promising proper guidance and cost related to the education of garments workers. By providing high quality education to our next generation, we are building a nation based on innovation and education, not just labor force. There is no such welfare foundation who is working like us. We are not asking for any kind of money, neither we are giving any money directly to the workers. We pay workers for their children's education and giving the proper guidance for their future. And in process, we are also reducing tons of garments wastage.
We are working on our project for last 4 months and we have already gone through many industries with the proposal of our idea. Most of the industries are ready to work with us and welcome us in their platform. We have conducted several surveys among the workers and most of the workers agreed to work with us and almost 76% workers agreed. Our production team is currently working on the product and we are getting positive results with that. We are a team of 8 textile engineers who doesn't want to add on in the existing textile factory. Rather than that, we want to break the barriers and change our nation for the best. We are Team TexFund working to build our nation based on education, not on cheap labors.